Hey guys, this is Vagabond Spray Mansion Sunny. Today I'm gonna show you very easy and simple basic skills of spray painting. Planets and galaxy in black and white. It's also for people who have no experience and wanna try spray painting. So hope you get joy of spray painting. And in this tutorial series, I show you from beginner level like this to advanced level. So if you learn step by step, you'll be able to master spray painting. Then you can even show up on the street just like I've been doing to keep traveling the world. That sounds cool, right? Alright, shall we begin? Just follow me. Alright, first of all, let me explain what you need for this, okay? First, spray paint, black and white. These two, only two for this. Very easy and simple one, okay? And plates. Now I've got two kinds of plate, but if you don't have, you can just have two the same size, or you don't even need to have plate. You can just have like anything round for planets, okay? And glossy paper. I don't know how it's called in your country, but you just need like glossy, like waterproof looking paper. Now I guess you can get at a stationery shop or art supply shop. You can just ask them, okay? Then a piece of paper. This is from Paper Magazine. Something like you can get for free. And a scraper. I don't know what people use this for. You can just get at the warehouse shop maybe. That's it for the stuff. Okay, let's start painting. First, you place planets. One is inside paper. Another is at the corner. Okay. Then slightly spray so that you know where the planets are gonna be. Okay, let's start with this planet. First, spray black, then white, and take a piece of paper, crush, then put on it, and slide your finger on the surface. Then you make texture for the planet. And this time we're gonna have like big light, shining light over here. So this side should be shining, this side should be shadow. Okay, so we're gonna make light first. And now what I want you to be careful is to make circular motion just like this. If you make it like straight line, it doesn't look like a board. Okay, shadow as well, using like a snap of your wrist, make a circular motion. Okay, and let's do another planet. Same as this. Spray black, then white, then take a piece of paper and slide your finger. Then you have texture. So light is here, right? So this side should be shining and this side should be shadow. So if you don't know where to spray, you can just have a plate like this, and then you roughly know where to spray. Make light and shadow. And this time also you can try to make like circular motion. make a round. Then place the plate on your planet. But this time, if we have more white part, it looks a little bit weird. So less white and more black will be better. Just like this. And take a black and then cover all, so that you make space. But this time, the point is you spray around your plates, okay, carefully. If you don't spray enough, you won't have a perfect round shape. So spray enough between plate and paper, okay? So once you cover all, take up white and then spray on your finger. But if you spray on here, you will make like unclear. So out of your paper, like this, and then flick. Then you'll have stars. Okay? Just like this. And then here we're gonna have a light. So lightly one push like this, okay? Just one push. And then take scraper. Oh, sorry. You can open the planets. Okay. And this is almost done. So we're gonna have like shining cross, like this, double cross, okay? And take scraper, hold like this, and then spray on the surface of here. Then one line will be left, just like this. Okay, it's easy. But you don't want to touch this on here, otherwise you make a weird line of this. Okay, so try not to touch, but hold it really close to this. Okay. And please be careful of dropping from here. If you spray too much, you drop one white dot, which doesn't look good. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Sign. Okay, it's finished. Oh shit. This is all about black white galaxy. It's easy, right? Alright, how was it? Hope you enjoyed it. One tip I can tell you is light in shadow. If you make correctly circular motion, you can make an amazing looking planet. I've already got tutorial videos in my channel actually, but it's all in Japanese, and I thought some people might want English version. I tried to make completely the same way as Japanese version, but if you find some differences between this one and that one and want to know about it, ask me in the comment. If you like this video, thumbs up and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel please. Sometimes I do live streaming and you can see the newest techniques or expressions that I only show on live streaming. If you subscribe my channel, you get notifications, you won't miss it and don't miss it. Okay, thanks again and see you definitely in the next video. Bye.